Hello, and welcome to TechForToday. I'm excited to kick off our very first session of the Entra Connect series. In this series, we'll explore everything you need to know about Entra Connect. The introduction, the core concepts, prerequisites, setting it up. Whether you're new to Entra Connect or looking to deepen your knowledge, this session will guide you through the essentials. So let's dive in. Entra Connect. Bridging on-premises and cloud identities. Entra Connect is an on-premises Microsoft application designed to meet and accomplish your hybrid identity goals. This presentation will explore the benefits, features, and core components, empowering seamless access to applications and resources across your organization. So, what is Entra Connect? Entra Connect synchronizes users' identities and group memberships between your on-premises Active Directory, AD, and Entra ID, enabling single sign-on, SSO, for cloud applications, which also facilitates hybrid identity management by bridging the gap between on-premises and cloud environments, providing a unified identity solution for both. Let's take a look at the key features and capabilities. We have password hash synchronization. This method synchronizes a hash of a user's on-premises Active Directory AD password with Microsoft Entra ID. Next, we have pass-through authentication. This method allows users to use the same password on-premises and in the cloud without requiring the additional infrastructure of a federated environment. Moving on to Federation integration. Federation, an optional part of Microsoft Entra Connect, can be used to configure a hybrid environment using an on-premises ADFS infrastructure. It also provides ADFS management capabilities, such as certificate renewal and additional ADFS server deployments. Now, let's talk about synchronization. This is responsible for creating users, groups, and other objects, and ensuring that identity information for your on-premises users and groups matches the cloud. This synchronization also includes password hashes. Finally, we have health monitoring. Microsoft Entra Connect Health provides robust monitoring and a central location in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center to view this activity. Managing hybrid identity environments comes with its own set of challenges. First, let's talk about security. Protecting user identities and data across both on-premises and cloud environments is critical. Ensuring robust security measures are in place is essential to safeguard against potential threats. Next, we have complexity. Managing multiple identity systems can be complex, requiring expertise and coordination. The integration of various systems and ensuring they work seamlessly together can be a daunting task. Moving on to access control. Enforcing consistent access policies across different environments is essential. It's crucial to ensure that users have the appropriate access to resources, regardless of where they are located. Finally, let's discuss cost. Maintaining separate identity systems can be expensive, requiring infrastructure and maintenance. The financial burden of managing these systems can be significant, and it's important to consider cost-effective solutions. Next, let's take a look at the core architecture and components of Entra Connect. Synchronization service is the core component that manages the synchronization process. It ensures that identity information is consistent and up-to-date across both on-premises and cloud environments. Next is Sync Engine. This component extracts data from Active Directory, AD, and replicates it to Microsoft Entra ID. It handles the transformation and filtering of data to ensure only relevant information is synchronized. Another core component is Entra Connect Agent. This agent connects the Sync Engine to Microsoft Entra ID, facilitating seamless communication and data transfer. It ensures that changes made in the on-premises environment are quickly reflected in the cloud. Next are connectors. These modules facilitate communication between the Sync Engine and connected data sources, ensuring smooth data flow. Each connector is designed to work with specific types of data sources, such as AD, SQL Server, or other LDAP directories. Next, we can take a look at the installation and configuration consideration. We'll start with system requirements. First, ensure you meet the system requirements and have the necessary software installed. Next is the connectivity. Configure network connectivity between your Active Directory, AD environment, and Microsoft Entra ID. It is also important to define the synchronization scope. Define which users, groups, and attributes you want to synchronize. Next is authentication and authorization. Configure security settings and access control for Entra Connect. Last but not the least is testing and deployment. Finally, thoroughly test your configuration before deploying Entra Connect in production. Detailed prerequisites and installation steps will be covered in the upcoming sessions. Moving on is seamless integration with Entra Connect, ADFS, and Entra ID. Let's explore the key integration points. You can enable seamless integration with Active Directory Federation Services, ADFS, to provide single sign-on, SSO access to on-premises applications. Also, integration with Entra ID provides streamlined access to cloud-based applications and simplify identity and access management across your organization. Enabling hybrid SSO delivers a unified single sign-on, SSO experience across on-premises and cloud resources, enhancing productivity with secure, seamless access to all resources. Next is monitoring and troubleshooting Entra Connect. Let's now explore how we can effectively monitor and troubleshoot Entra Connect to ensure smooth operation. Monitoring. 1. Log analysis. Event logs are crucial for spotting errors or warnings in Entra Connect. We need to pay attention to the Windows Event Viewer, particularly the Microsoft Azure AD Connect logs. Look for any error codes or messages that might indicate misconfigurations or connectivity issues. Second, performance metrics. We can track performance metrics such as resource usage, sync duration, CPU and memory utilization, and any latency between on-premises AD and Entra ID. You can use Synchronization Service Manager to monitor sync status, and tools like Task Manager to track system performance. For troubleshooting, first level is by identifying issues. In case of issues, we start by identifying connectivity problems. Check if firewalls, proxies, or network settings are blocking communication between AD, Entra Connect, and Entra ID. You can use PowerShell CMDlets like Test ADFS Connectivity or Test Azure AD Connect Health Connectivity to verify connections. If you're facing synchronization errors, look for conflicting or missing attributes in your source directory. The Azure AD Connect Troubleshooter is a great tool for guided diagnostics. Second is by resolving issues. Once we've identified the problem, we move on to resolving it. For configuration issues, we can use rollback options or rerun the Entra Connect wizard to fix any settings. Keep Entra Connect up to date, as updates often fix bugs or address compatibility issues. For support resources, Microsoft's official documentation is a great resource for step-by-step guides and best practices. I will share some of the important links in the description. You can also rely on community forums to find solutions from others who've encountered similar issues. Next is Microsoft Support and Tools. For more complex issues, use Microsoft Support. A premium support plan can be helpful for quick resolutions. Also, Azure AD Connect Health offers dedicated tools to monitor your Entra Connect deployment and quickly detect and resolve any problems. By implementing these monitoring and troubleshooting steps, you'll be able to ensure your Entra Connect system operates smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this session of our Entra Connect series here on TechForToday. In our next video, we'll dive into the core concepts of Entra Connect, exploring its key features and how it integrates with your existing infrastructure. See you in the next video.